Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, for today's video we're going to do elephant toothpaste.
Sit back, relax and enjoy the video.
What you will need is some measuring cylinders and beakers,
Some food coloring,
and hydrogen peroxide, potassium iodide, and yeast.
some soap and warm water.
Okay, let's jump into it. Okay, in a beaker, mix the potassium iodide with warm water. About 100 mils. And then mix it with a stick or something. Okay, for the second solution, take some hydrogen peroxide and measure about 120 mils. Okay, and secondly, then put some any food coloring you want to color your foam in your flask. So don't you say green? Don't you say green? And take some dish soap and put it in. And then put your solution in the first solution. Okay, so this is green, guys. Then just mix it a bit until everything is nicely dissolved.
Okay, pour solution A into B and watch the magic happen.